Hello everyone. In this video, I am doing solution of question number 17 of winter holidays homework of class 9th. In this question, there are 6 constructions given. So I am doing all these constructions with you using all the geometric instruments. Now, first angle is given of 30 degree. So we will make 30 degree. So see how is it to be made. Part number 1. You may take here one ray of any measurement, arrow this side. This is A point, or you can say O point, you can name it. Now we need to make a 60-degree arc. Compass should not be open too much, not very less. From here this way, arc. Keeping the compass at this point, this is 60-degree arc. So which angle is asked here? 30 degree. So we need not to draw the line for 60 degree. You need to bisect 0 from here, one arc, and this is 60 from here, another arc. So this angle is now 30 degree. Join it. Arrow this side. Right here 30 degree. Right here A point, and right here B point. So the name of the angle is angle AOB, and this is 30 degree. So this angle is an acute angle. Part number second. In part number second, it is asked to draw 45-degree angle. So let's draw 45-degree angle with the help of compass, scale, everything. So keep the scale this way. You have taken a ray. This is any point you can take. Let it be B point. Keep the compass tip here. This is an arc. From here 60 degree, and from here 120 degree. You may extend the arc more if it is short. Now one time keep on 60. This is an arc. One time keep on 120. This is another arc. So 90 degree is not our basic requirement. So here you will take it dotted. Now you need to make 45 degree. For 45 degree you need to bisect 0, 90. One time you need to keep compass here. One time you need to keep the compass here. So keep it here. One arc. Keep it on 90. This is another arc. So extend it. This is 45 degree. Arrow. This is A point. This is C point. Here you can write 45 degree. And name of the angle is angle ABC. Angle ABC, that is equal to 45 degree. It is also an acute angle. So while doing this question, you could learn how to make even 90 degree also. Now part number third. Part number third is of 105 degree. So let's make 105 degree. For 105 again you need to make 90 degree. So keep on doing with me. This way we have taken a ray. Then we need to make here at point B 90 degree first. So compass tip on B, an arc from here 60, from here 120, this arc from 60, this arc from 120. So this is 90 degree dotted. Now For 105, you need to bisect 90 and 120. So one time from 90, this is arc, and then from 120, this is another arc. So extend it. This is arrow. Let it be A point. This is C point. So 105-degree angle is made, and you can name it angle ABC is equal to 105-degree. It is an obtuse angle, right? Now let's make another angle that is of 135-degree. So part number 4, 135-degree. This is a ray. Let this is point B. From here an arc from this side 60. This is next arc is of 120, and from 120 you will cut another arc that is of 180. Now from here 60 arc, from 120 another arc. We are going to make 90-degree. So 90-degree is not our original requirement, so it will come dotted. Now the bisection of 90 and 180. So see, this is 90, one arc from 90 and one arc from 180. तो 90 और 180 को बाइसेक्ट करेंगे तो बनेगा 135-degree. So this we have extended. So this angle is now 135-degree, and the name of this angle here, point A, will be marked. So name, this is C point. So the name of the angle is angle ABC, and it is equal to 135-degree. After 135-degree, there is an angle of 22 and 1/2 degree, means 22.5-degree. So this is part number 5. So take a ray. After taking the ray at this point, you will make 90-degree again. Compass tip here. This is arc. From here 60. From here 120. From 61 arc. From 120 another arc. So join it dotted. Now bisect 0 and 90. This is 0. From here one arc. From 90 another arc. We will construct it dotted because this is also not our original requirement. Our original requirement is 22.5. So this is 0. From 0 one arc, and from 45 another arc. Both the arcs will intersect here. Keep it straight and join it. This is arrow. This is arrow. Here you can write A point. Here you can write B point. This is point C. This is 22 and 1/2 degree, or you can say 22.5-degree. So name of the angle is again angle ABC. It is 22 and 1/2 degree. It is an acute angle, right? Part number 6 we will do now. That is of 150-degree, right? So for 150, let's start now. This is a ray, arrow, keep the arc, keep the compass tip here, draw an arc. This is 60, this is 120 arc, from 60 here, from 120 this. So this is 90 degree. Now we need to draw 150 degree. So for 150 degree, which angles are to be bisected? You can see here, up to here it is 120. If I subtract from 180 120, it is 60 degree. So 120 and 180, because 120 and 180, one more arc we will take here. This I am extending this way. So from 120 another arc also we will cut. So up to here it is 120. What more we need? 30 degree. So difference between 120 and 180 is 60. So if you keep one time compass on 120 and one time on 180, these both arcs will meet each other. So you will join it. This is 150 degree. So if you do not make 90 degree for 150 degree, then it will work, because here originally 150 is the bisection of what and what, 120 and 180. So basically there is no requirement of 90 degree. So if you do not wish, do not make 90 degree, because it is not needed. Directly 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc, and then 180 degree arc, and bisection of 120 and 180 will give 150 degree. Even if you draw 90 degree, there is no harm, but why to do extra when it can be done simply? So angle ABC will be equal to 150 degree. It is an obtuse angle. You can name it angle A here. A point, this is B point, and this is C point. So angle ABC is equal to 150 degree. Hope you have understood all these 6 constructions. If you have understood well, like the video, comment and share. Thank you.